Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And I am the host for the month of August. And our challenge is to use this sketch 4 ways. That's to create 4 layouts using only that sketch. Now let's take a look at the products that I am using from my August kit, which is centered around Becky Booten's Color Study collection. I also included these puffy words and icons from Simple Stories and a couple other little bits and pieces of embellishments. We have one large photograph of my little guy. We have some scrap papers from the Becky Booten Color Study collection. I'm using 3 12 by 12 papers from that collection. The first 12 by 12 paper that you see right now is a reddish pink design, then the cut aparts. And then you're going to see me take that reddish pink pattern paper and place it on another paper that has ombre strokes in a teal as my foundation layer. If you're wondering why I am double matting my foundation layer, it's because I am distressing the entire edge of that pinkish reddish pattern paper, which is the flowers that meet at each point, which gives that geometric feel to that pattern paper. So by distressing, you're going to see little peaks of those teal brush strokes that just adds another layer of visual interest to this layout, if that made any sense. All right, while I'm just a little bit ahead of myself and you're watching me distress my paper, let me remind you that I have the link to Becky and Kathy's channel listed below in the description box, along with our Facebook group site, which we would love for you to play along. And all you have to do is snap a photograph of your kit and at least one layout, and you will be automatically entered in to possibly win a curated kit from me. Now I have matted my photograph on that black distressed paper from Becky Booten Color Study collection, and it is not distressed enough, so I took my scissor and I distressed the entire edge of my photo mat, and then I'm taking the point of my scissor and distressing it even more. So if you would like to try that technique, get out a pair of scissors and give it a try. Now, as you can tell, I cut my pre-scrap paper of a circle in half, or an open circle, and I have placed it on the right edge of my photograph, and I'm cutting off the excess. Next, I'm going to use that scrap paper that you see in the upper right-hand corner. I'm going to flip it over, and I am going to punch out a notebook border using my Creative Memories border punch system. Then I'll scrunch it up and place that notebook strip of paper underneath my photograph. Now see that yellow side of that scrap paper? I will take that portion and tear it and tuck it under the left side of my matted photograph. And that just brings another color and visual interest and more texture to this layout. I also add that material piece of hardware. Yes, I would call it from hardware. It is a masking tape that you use when you put plasterboard together or using plaster to grip it, is my understanding. But anyway, I stole it from my husband and I loved it because to me it mimics a fence. So the photograph is of our little guy's first day working at our friend's farm. Now, if you watched last Friday's video of Old to New, you will know that I documented a photograph while he was working on the farm when he got stung by a bee, which was his last week. And you need to go check out that video and you'll see how puffy his face is, and it makes him look like he's like 5 in that photograph when he's actually 13. And those 2 layouts will sit side by side in his album. Now back to my layout. So I am using this puffy sticker from Simple Stories Homegrown collection, I think is what it's called. And it is of a cow, a sheep, a pig, and then a chicken or rooster on top. And I layer that in the lower left-hand corner. I use the Becky phrases and icons from the Color Study collection. And I was able to create this creative title that says, "Yes, I can do all things." From that same sticker pack from the Color Study collection, I add that gold arrow. And then I tucked in another puffy icon from the Simple Stories that says Homegrown and tucked it under the farm animals. Now you can see I am working on the cluster in the upper right hand corner. I have cut out a tag from the Becky Booten paper. Then I layered 2 stickers and it says currently my favorite, and then this pencil sticker that says making the world more colorful. I added 2 gold puffy hearts to that cluster in the upper right hand corner. I brought another gold heart over to my title to the left. Then I will add some splatters using my Dilution Shimmer Spray in Marble Black, I think, or Black Marble. It's Black Marble. And I add that in the upper right-hand corner and the lower left-hand corner. And this layout is complete. The still shots are coming up. I appreciate you all. Thanks for stopping by. Now, most of all, get out your photographs, get out your scrappy supplies, and document those memories in a fun, creative way. Give a thumbs up. Hit that notification on YouTube, that bell, so you're notified every time I am posting, and we will see you next time. Bye.